If Instagram keeps automatically increasing your screen brightness, here are a few fixes you can try. First, open your phone settings app and go to Display. Near the brightness slider, look for the option called Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness. If it's enabled, turn it off. This feature automatically adjusts your screen brightness and can sometimes make Instagram appear much brighter than normal. Next, go back to the main settings page and open Apps. Find Instagram from the list and tap on it. Now open Permissions and look for the camera permission. You can temporarily disable camera access or set it to Don't Allow. This can stop certain Instagram stories or camera features from triggering automatic brightness increases, although it may also limit camera use inside the app. After making these changes, reopen Instagram and check if the brightness issue has been fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.